Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Apple ID is signed in on all devices so photos sync. Next, enable iCloud Photos in Settings or System Settings. This is the single switch that starts the sync. Once done, choose Storage Behavior. Optimize iPhone storage to save space, or download and keep originals if you prefer full files locally. You should also check available iCloud storage now so syncing won't stop mid-transfer, and decide whether shared albums are useful for immediate sharing. After enabling iCloud Photos, you need a stable Wi-Fi connection and preferably charging power for the initial upload. Large libraries take time. You'll watch the Photos app for uploading status and address any duplicates or failed items. Tap an item to retry or remove unwanted copies. Make sure to adjust settings to allow cellular uploads only if you understand data costs. Once most items upload, confirm your Mac and other devices show the same library, so everything truly syncs and edits. Finish by verifying that every device displays the same library and that recent edits and albums match. That validates the sync. If storage is tight, free up local space by enabling optimized storage only after uploads complete and double-check iCloud storage status. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then restart devices. This often forces a resync. Also confirm network stability and that you haven't hit your iCloud storage limit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.